Hey everybody, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we have got a beautiful 2025 BMW X7 M60i. It's a twin turbo V8. Beautiful, beautiful rig. This is mineral white metallic. We'll take a look at the interior here in a second, but it is the Tartufo extended merino leather. Very pretty inside. It does have the captain's chairs in the back. Go over some of the options. This is a one owner as well. I do have 2 keys, all the books and the window sticker. This one's got the driver assistance pro package, M Sport professional package, executive package, climate comfort package, M Sport package pro. It's got the digital key, surround view cameras, remote start. Beautiful 22-inch M dual spoke bicolor wheels. Those look real nice. M Sport differential. It's got trailer hitch, illuminated kidney grille at night that illuminates. Thing's got it all. It's got the second row captains, carbon fiber trim, soft closed doors, shadow line trim, all-weather floor mats. Very, very pretty. M steering wheel. The list goes on and on. It's got the big sunroof. Let's take a look in the back. Power adjustable rear seats. We do have the pillows that go with these as well. You've got the rear shades, panoramic sunroof. Got climate, 4-zone climate control right there. This one does have massage seats also up front, and you've got your third row. It's folded down right now. Take a look at the front here. Very pretty inside. This leather is so comfortable. Lots of adjustments. Got your massage buttons here. You can, lots to choose from on the massage side. Big screen. Very, very pretty. This thing will get up and go too. Take a look back here in the back. There's our pillows. We've got the shades for the back. This is the pull shade that goes over the whole back from those seats back. You can use these buttons over here to raise and lower your seats. Very nice. Beautiful truck. It was $123,000 new. Has dent protection that comes with it. Of course, it's under full factory warranty. The whole front end has been 3M wrapped. So you've got all the way up these pillars here. The whole front end has protective film, so you don't need to worry about rock chips or bugs or anything like that. So really, really nice one. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country, open or enclosed trailer. We can help you with financing. If you've got your own financing, no problem. We can deal with that. Cash deals are easy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, please. That always helps. Hit the like button. Super easy to do. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. Hope to hear from somebody on this one. It's really nice. No dents, no dings, no scratches. Give me a call. Hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Adios.